Today, I'll show you how to use Autotune in Audacity. First, Autotune is not a native feature in Audacity, so you'll need to download the free VST plugin called G-Snap. What you will need to do is search for G-Snap on Google and open the first website. Scroll down the G-Snap download page and choose the version you need. Open the .zip file from your Downloads folder. Inside, you'll find the gsnap.dll plugin file. To use this plugin in Audacity, transfer the .dll file into the program's plugin folder. Go to your Audacity folder and drag the gsnap.dll file into the plugin folder. Now, open Audacity and go to Effect, then Manage Plugins. Scroll down to G-Snap under the name column. Click on G-Snap, then the Enable button. Restart Audacity to finalize the plugin. Next, record or select the audio you want to Autotune. Once you've selected the clip, go to Effect and choose G-Snap. A window will pop up with various options for using the Autotune effect on your audio. You can customize your sound using the detection and correction knobs. In the detection row, set the range of frequencies to be detected and how fast Autotune responds to pitch changes. In the correction section, adjust the snapping region around each note, the amount of pitch correction, the attack of the note, and how long it lingers. The keyboard on the left allows you to select which notes you want. G-Snap can also link via MIDI. You can preview the current effect by pressing the green play button in the bottom left of the window. Adjust the settings until you're happy with the sound. Once you're satisfied, click Apply, then close the plugin window. You've now successfully added an Autotune effect to your audio track. Thanks for watching.